Hi children, today let us look at proper nouns, special nouns. We'll read the sentence, we'll underline the proper nouns. You're going to enjoy this exercise. Underline the proper noun. You remember proper nouns, special names of people, places? Good. Now, let us do this exercise and practice identifying proper noun and underlining it. Let's look at our first sentence. Look at the picture. Who is here? Here is a man. Let's read the sentence. My father's name is Rakesh. This is daddy. What's the daddy's name? And that's what the little child says. My father's name is Rakesh. What is my father's name? What is this man's name? Rakesh. Rakesh is a special name. Name of this daddy, father of a little child. Rakesh. It begins with a capital letter. So we underline Rakesh because that is a proper noun, name of a person. Look, my father's name is Rakesh. We underline Rakesh. Good? Let's take another sentence. Look at the picture. Identify the proper noun, special name. Look. Sewing machine. Somebody is stitching here. Yes? A tailor. Mala is very good at stitching. Mala is a tailor and she's very good in stitching. Mala is very good at stitching. Mala is the name of this person. The tailor's name is Mala. Begins with a cap letter. Mala is a special name. It's a proper noun of this person. We underline Mala. Read the sentence. Mala is very good at stitching. Good. Let's look at another picture and the sentence. Identify the proper noun. Good. Here's a little girl ready for school. Happy. Let's read the sentence. Hema is going to school. This is Hema. Where is she going? She's going to school. Hema is going to school. What's her name? Hema. That's a special name. Proper noun. Begins with the capital letter. Hema. We underline the name of this child. Hema. Proper noun. Hema is going to school. Hema. Proper noun. Did you enjoy, children? Now, let's look at another picture. Another sentence. Identify proper noun and underline. Look at this. Where do you see this? On the wall, at home, at school. Calendar. Yes, calendar this is. You look at the calendar, you can read the numbers, your holidays, your birthdays. Let's read the sentence. January is the first month of a year. How many months are there? 12 months. Look at the calendar. What is the name? January. January is the first month of a year. January, that's the name of a month. It begins with a capital letter, special name of a particular month. So that is, we underline. It's a proper noun. Okay? Noun that is special for that particular month of the year. We underline January. January is the first month of a year. Yes? Did you enjoy? Let's take another picture and another sentence. Identify the proper noun. Then we underline. Look. The little boy and girl, they're very happy to go to school. Look, they are laughing, smiling. Let's read the sentence. Tom and Tim are going to school. Where are they going? Tom and Tim are going to school. What are their names? Their names are Tom, Tommy, and Tim, Timmy. Tom and Tim, names of two persons, a boy and a girl. So that's a proper noun, Tom. Tim is also proper noun. So we underline. These are names of two people, special names. What are they doing? They are going to school. So we have two proper nouns here, names of two people. Names of people are proper noun. Their name begins with capital letter. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at another sentence, another picture. Good. Here we are. This is Barbie. Do you like dolls? Do you like Barbie dolls? Here's the Barbie hugging a small little toy. What is that? A sheep. Yes. Is this a sheep? Yes. Now look at, let's read the sentence. Barbie loves her little puppy. That's a little puppy. Cute little small puppy. Read. Barbie loves her little puppy. Now Barbie is the name of this dolly. Begins with the capital letter Barbie. We underline because it's the name of the Barbie is the name, special name. So we underline that. Proper noun. Begins with the capital letter. Read. Barbie loves a little puppy. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Another sentence to identify proper noun. Look, somebody is very busy eating. Yes, her lunch is ready. She got a fruit, some milk, an egg, and bread. She's very happy to eat. Let's read the sentence. Geeta is eating her lunch. When do you eat your lunch? Yes, afternoon. Yes, Geeta is eating her lunch. Who is eating her lunch? Geeta. The name of this child, Geeta. Proper noun begins with the capital letter. Geeta's name we underline because that's a proper noun. Geeta is eating her lunch. We identified proper noun, her name. Let's look at another picture. Let's go on to read another sentence. Look, somebody is busy writing. Yes, very happy to write. Pinky is writing her homework. Read. Pinky is writing her homework. Who is writing her homework? Pinky. Pinky is the name of this girl. Begins with the capital letter. Pinky is proper noun. We underline Pinky. Third, Pinky is writing her homework. Third, now I am sure you learned to identify proper noun. Let's go on to another picture, another sentence. Look, somebody is very busy reading, loves reading storybook. Do you read storybook? Look, Rohan is reading his book. Read. Rohan is reading his book. Who is reading his book? Rohan. Who is Rohan? The little boy. The name of the little boy is Rohan. The proper noun begins with the capital letter. So we underline Rohan. Okay? Let's underline Rohan. Kurt. That's a proper noun. This boy's special name is Rohan. Rohan is reading his book. Kurt. Did you enjoy identifying proper noun? Let's go on to another picture. Shall we? Kurt. Here we are. Here is a classroom full of little children and the teacher is standing there. The children are very happy, learning, listening like you do. Let's read the sentence. Mrs. Pam is teaching her students. Pam is a short form for Pamela. The teacher's name is Mrs. Pamela. We write the short form Pam. Mrs. Pam is teaching her students. Now, Pam is the name of the teacher, her special name. So we begin with a capital letter. So Mrs. Pam, we underline, that's a proper noun. So we underline. Yes, are you happy you identified the proper noun here? Mrs. Pam, the name of their teacher. Special name. What do they call? Mrs. Pam is teaching her students. Good. Let's go on to another picture and sentence 2. Look what we have here. What picture is this? Santa. When does Santa visit you? When you're very good. In the month of December, if you've been very good, he'll come giving you gifts at the door. Let's read the sentence. Santa is giving gifts for Christmas. To who? To good children, boys and girls. Santa is giving gifts for Christmas. Look. Now Santa is the name of this person who goes distributing gifts to good children. Santa begins with S. It's a special name for this person who distributes gifts during Christmas time. Santa, proper noun. Good. Let's go on to identify more proper nouns. Let's look at another picture. Look at this. What a lovely beach. You like to play in the sand by the beach? It's very nice, isn't it? Let's read the sentence. Chennai is famous for its beach. In Chennai, we have very long beach where children love to go and play. Do you go? Good. Now, Chennai. Where do you live? Oh, you live in Chennai. Good. Chennai is a special name, proper noun for a small place in Tamil Nadu. So we underline Chennai, begins with capital letter C. It is a place, special name of a place, proper noun. So we underline this. Chennai is famous for its beach, for its long, beautiful beach. So we identify Chennai as the proper noun, special name for this beach in Chennai, and then C capital letter, proper noun, place, special name for a place, proper noun. Let's go on to look at another picture. What do you see here? A flag. Look at the red and white stripes and stars. This flag belongs to USA, United States of America. Let's read the sentence. This is a flag of USA. USA is the short form. United States of America. We underline USA. It's a special name for that place and the special flag too. Yes? Good. Let's go on to another picture and the sentence identifying proper noun. Good. Look at this. What do you see here? It is your country. Yes, India. It's a map. Beautiful map showing us all the states. Let's read the sentence. This is the map of India. What picture is this? This is the picture. This picture shows it's a map of India. Read the sentence. This is the map of India. India is your country. Capital letter. Name of a special place. Yes, your country, India. You underline because it's a proper noun for the place where we live in, our country. Good.